If you're looking for the best trending RC cars, it's honestly a jungle out there right now. You've got cheap plastics mixed in with serious machines, and it's hard to tell the difference online. So I actually went out, bought the top 5 trending models, and took them to the dirt, pavement, and grass to see which ones survive real abuse. I'm breaking down everything from speed to durability so you don't waste a dime. Product number 1, DERC 9309E. The first thing I noticed grabbing the DERC 9309E was the weight. It feels substantial because they used a lot of metal in the drivetrain. Seeing all-pressure shocks and metal diffs at this price point is pretty rare. When I took it out to the track, that 380 motor didn't hesitate. It hits around 40 kilometers per hour, which feels incredibly fast for a truck this size. I ran it through some mud puddles since it's waterproof, and it just kept going without skipping a beat. The wheelie bar is a nice touch because this thing actually has enough torque to flip over if you aren't careful on the throttle. Plus, getting 2 batteries in the box gave me about 40 minutes of driving, which is plenty of time. If you want something that feels like a hobby-grade truck without the massive price tag, this is a solid starting point. Product number 2, HAIBUXING 18859. Then I picked up the HAIBUXING 18859. This is a 1/18 scale truck that feels very ready to run right out of the box. The PVC body has a nice flex to it, meaning it bounces off curbs rather than cracking, which is a huge plus. Performance-wise, it's hitting about 36 kph. I took it on short grass and gravel, and the 4-wheel drive handled the loose terrain easily. What I really appreciate is the user-friendliness. The remote connects instantly, and the speed is manageable for almost anyone. It comes with 2 batteries as well, matching that 40-minute runtime. It's surprisingly robust for how affordable it is. I'd say this is the perfect pick if you're buying for a younger driver, or just getting into the hobby and don't want to overcomplicate things. Product number 3, Threaking Stunt Car. Switching gears a bit, I tested the Threaking Stunt Car. This isn't your traditional racer, it's built for chaos. Holding it, the design is clearly meant to take a beating. It drives double-sided, so flipping over doesn't stop the fun. The coolest feature for me was the lighting. The breathing soft lights look awesome in the dark, turning my driveway into a light show. But the real winner here is the battery design. They are modular cartridges that swap out in seconds, and they charge via USB-C, same cable as my phone. No tiny fragile connectors to fiddle with. It's not about high speed, it's about doing 360 spins and flips. If you have kids who get frustrated when a car gets stuck or runs out of power quickly, this eliminates those headaches completely. It's just pure, stress-free entertainment that works on almost any floor surface. Product number 4, HyperGo H16BM. Now if you want serious power, look at the HyperGo H16BM. As soon as I pulled the trigger, I knew this was different. It uses a brushless motor, which is way more efficient and punchy than the others. Out of the box with the included battery, it's fast, but if you slap in a 3S battery, this thing screams at over 40 miles per hour. The build is intense. Metal gears, oil-filled shocks, and a honeycomb chassis that took some serious tumbles during my test without braking. It handles jumps beautifully, landing smoothly thanks to that suspension. This isn't really a toy, it's a hobby machine. It even has cooling fans on the motor. If you're an adult or a serious enthusiast wanting raw speed and the ability to upgrade parts later, this is hands down the winner for performance. Product number 5, 1/16 scale RC monster truck. Finally, I checked out this 1/16 scale monster truck. This one is definitely aimed more at the younger crowd, specifically kids aged 4 to 12. It tops out at around 20 kilometers per hour, which I found is actually the sweet spot for indoor driving or a small backyard. It's fast enough to be fun, but not so fast that it breaks a lamp immediately. The tires are oversized and soft, giving it decent grip on carpet and sand. The remote is very straightforward, no interference, just simple controls. It feels durable enough to handle a kid learning to drive thanks to that flexible shell that absorbs impacts well. If you're shopping for a birthday gift for a younger child and want something safe, easy to control, and budget-friendly, this is a fantastic entry-level truck that won't overwhelm them. That wraps up my testing of these trending RC cars. Whether you need raw brushless speed or a durable stunt jumper, there's something here for everyone. I've dropped links to all of them in the description below so you can check the current pricing. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.